So let's describe the course. This is Multimedia Production 1. So what does that mean? Multimedia, right? So that basically means multiple mediums, which really doesn't mean anything. It's not a really great description. It just means you're incorporating multiple things into one. I treat this more as because things that we're missing, I treat it more as an interactive and animation, 2D animation course. So we're going to kind of more probably heavy on the animation aspect than we will on the interactive. We'll do a little bit more of interactive towards the end, but we're going to lean more towards just creating, motion graphics, character animation, those various subject matter throughout the course. Okay, so it'll build on anything that you've taken previously. So if you've taken Photoshop and Illustrator or any of those other things, we will be using that. We will be implementing those same sort of skill sets. We will be using, which is funny because this is sort of different now. I'm creating this, but we're going to be using Adobe Animate, which was previously Flash, in order to create our work. So that'll be the majority of what we end up utilizing. What we have as far as your assignments are concerned is that you'll have labs and you'll have projects. Okay, so each week will be a lab, unless there's a project. So for the first, and usually we'll do sort of a lab series. We'll have a couple of labs, like 3 or 4 labs. And then when the labs are complete, you will complete a project that more or less reiterates what we did in the labs. So if you look, we'll have 11 labs, which will be 50% of your grade, and you'll have 3 projects, which will be 50% of your grade. Okay, so pretty even between those two things. Regardless of what we do, so when the labs are a little bit more strict, I want you to try and cover a little bit more what we're, follow along a little bit more. And the projects, you should be able to, kind of go outside the box a little